Now it's on. And I'm really not one for making videos, but here we are.
I'm trying to read the instructions to figure out how to use this thing. You said to practice.
You got a hat.
While we're figuring out how to use this thing, Lisa's going to play with it while I figure out the Bluetooth.
I am going to play with it because that's what you told me to do.
So how did you turn the camera on? You did it manually?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we got to figure out how to make the switches work. One of those has got to be a Bluetooth switch, or there's a Bluetooth switch somewhere, which you have to long press.
Right.
So you got to find a Bluetooth switch. So you can shut off the camera while you're pissing around.
No, I want to play now.
Well,
now you got it on. We got it on. No.
Get me out of the frame.
Oh, for heaven's sake. Okay. So we're going to come over here because I want you to meet Barney.
Take me out of the frame.
And it's sorry, but you just keep being right in the frame. It's just, it's unbelievable. I don't know what's going on. You wonder what that was? That's Barney. Come here. Come here, Barney. This is Barney. And he's my little heart. Come on, Barney. Who's that? Oh, who's that? And he likes to play at the window. Oh, it's okay. Who's that? Come on, you like my phone any other time. Go ahead, Barney. Who's that? Is that you? Oh, is that you? Crazy. Who's crazy? And then I'll try to keep Dave out of the shot because he asked me to. And what else can I tell you? I just got back from buying this stupid selfie stick. I'm really impressed. And are we done? Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to turn it off now. Here I am, way too excited, restless leg syndrome, anxious to get out there on the water. Say hello to everyone out in YouTube land. Our friend Tom, our neighbor. This over here is Lisa. Hi, Lisa. Tom was nice enough to take us out on Lake Erie. It's a shallow lake, and because it's shallow, the bottom is always turned up and it's murky. Looking forward to the clear bottom views in the Caribbean.
Racing boat, 90%, 10% cruising. There's down below, but just got it. It's mostly full of sails right now. I do have cushions, so you can sleep on it. Usually involves a lot of alcohol.
nice little
Oh, yeah.
We saw yesterday.
Yelled at.
Oh, because he puts a big weight up against everybody's dog.
Yeah.
Slow down, dude. Don't wait. Well, so's the guy behind you, and he's making it. But you just bashed $1 million worth of boats off the docks.
You make it.
I've seen him close it on boats.
What happened?
That's awful hard in the mast.
It is.
I'll shut off the volume for that.
No. Let it fly. You get him, Tom.
People
Well,
don't realize what they're doing.
What they're doing, right? They're putting weight up against all these boats and they're bashing against docks.
Yep.
Putting pressure on stuff. Yep.
So maybe it's your turn to explain where we are.
Okay, here we are at TLC, Laser Eye Centers. Both of us wear contacts. Neither of us like wearing glasses. With lifestyle on a boat, with snorkeling, swimming, being up at night, that kind of stuff, glasses and contacts are just not real practical, especially with snorkeling and scuba diving where, water takes your masks off and then you lose your contacts. So we're looking at seeing if we qualify for laser eye correction and see if we can get rid of the contacts and get rid of the glasses and
Not have to worry about getting contact solution or replacing contact lenses while we're out in the Caribbean. And
then we'll be like all the rest of you spoiled folks that have perfect eyesight.
oh, and there he goes and leaves me here by myself, recording by myself behind. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Had to fill out the forms and stuff before we go in to see if we can qualify to get our eyes done. Hopefully things go well.
So we got the eye surgery done today, both of us, this morning. We've been all day putting the drops in our eyes. Not allowed to use anything with screens, so this is going to be really short. For those of you who've never had LASIK done, surgery itself is pretty much nothing, but the after effects are a lot like putting your contacts in inside out after washing them thoroughly with soap and not rinsing them. And then every hour you get to put in drops that feel a lot like you're dropping soap into your eyes again. And it doesn't sting much more than if you, say, dumped raw chlorine in your eyes. So it's a little uncomfortable to say the least, but the effects are almost immediately. I can actually see. I'm actually reading closer up than I was before, even though I'm not supposed to be reading yet. I've been doing little sampley things. I haven't actually been reading anything. We've been listening to audiobooks all day and putting drops in all day. And it's tedious and it's painful and it's annoying, but it's temporary. And then we will have 20/20 vision like those of you who are normal.